Hi friends, it's me, Miss Angie. How are you? And thank you for joining me. Today I have an activity that we're going to do together. It's called I Can Build Simple Words by Lakeshore, where we explore words that have the vowel letters. Here are the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Today, we're working with the vowel letter E. So let's take that one out and let's work with those. Now be sure to join me on other videos where we complete the rest of the series. So in here, we have letters that we're going to match to our pictures. Our picture is missing a letter and we have to spell it out, find the letter, put our letters on the board, and then say our sentence. Are you ready? Let's do it together. Okay, here is the first picture. This is the number 10. Here it's missing a letter. Which letter is missing here on this 10?
The letter T.
That's right, the letter T. Let's put our letters on the board and spell out our word. 10 is spelled T-E-N.
N.
Now let's make a sentence with the word 10. Can you say the number 10 is the color green?
The number 10 is the color green.
Good job. Let's go to the next one. Here we have a picture of a leg. That's right. Leg is missing a letter here in the middle. Which letter is missing in the middle?
The letter E.
That's right, the letter E. Now let's spell out our word. Leg is spelled L-E-G.
G.
Now let's make a sentence with the word leg. Can you say the leg is a part on the body?
The leg is a part on the body.
Good job. Let's go to the next one. This is a picture of a hen. Hen is missing a letter right there at the end. Which letter is missing here on the hen?
The letter N.
That's right, the letter N. Hen is spelled H-E-N.
N.
That's hen. Now let's make a sentence with the word hen. Can you say, the hen lives on the farm?
The hen lives on the farm.
Good job. Let's go to the next one. Here, it's a picture of a little girl that is wet. The word is wet, but it's missing a letter here at the beginning. Which letter is missing?
The W.
That's right, the W. W is missing. Now let's spell our word and put our letters on the board. It's spelled W-E-T.
T.
Now let's make a sentence with the word wet. Can you say, the little girl is soaking wet?
The little girl is soaking wet.
Good job. Let's go to the next one. Here is a picture of a picture of a jet. The jet is missing a letter here in the middle. Which letter is missing on the word jet?
The E.
That's right, the E. Now let's spell the word jet. Jet is spelled J-E-T.
T.
Now let's make a sentence with the word jet. Can you say, the jet flies fast in the sky?
The jet flies fast in the sky.
Good job. Okay, here is the next one. This is a picture of a pen. Pen is missing a letter here at the end. Do you know which letter is missing?
An N.
That's right, an N. Now let's put our letters and spell the word pen on the board. Pen is spelled P-E-N.
N.
Now let's make a sentence with the word pen. Can you say, I use a pen to write my name?
I use a pen to write my name.
Good job. Now here is the next one. This is a picture,
A web.
that's right, of a web. Web is missing a letter here in the middle. Can you tell me which letter is missing?
N-E.
That's right, an E. Let's put the letters on the board as we spell it out. Web is spelled W-E-B.
B.
Good job. Oh, our letter E fell off. Let's put our letter E on the board. Okay. Now let's make our sentence with web. Can you say, a spider makes the spider web?
A spider makes the spider web.
Good job. Now let's go to the next one. Here is a picture of a bed. Bed is missing a letter here at the end. Can you tell me which letter is missing?
I-D.
That's right, a B. Now let's spell the word bed. Ooh, a D there at the end. Bed is spelled B-E-D.
D.
That spells bed. Now let's make a sentence with the word bed. Can you say, at night I sleep on the bed?
At night, I sleep on the bed.
Good job. Now let's go to the next one. Here is a picture of the word red, of a paintbrush with red. Let's see. Red is missing a letter here at the end. Can you tell me which letter is missing?
I-D.
That's right, a D. Let's put the letters on the board and spell the word red. Red is spelled R-E-D.
D.
Red. Now let's make a sentence with the word red. Can you say, I use the color red to paint?
I use the color red to paint.
Good job. Okay, last one here. This is a picture of a net. Net is missing a letter here at the beginning. Which letter is missing?
N-N.
That's right, an N. Let's spell the word net. Net is spelled N-E-T.
T.
Good job. Now let's make a sentence with the word net. Can you say, I hit the ball over the net?
I hit the ball over the net.
Good job. Now let's go over them one more time. We have 10,
10.
leg,
Leg.
hen,
Hen.
wet,
Wet.
jet,
Jet.
pen,
Pen.
web,
Web.
bed,
Bed.
red,
Red.
and net.
And net.
These were using our vowel letter E. Be sure to join me on other videos as we complete the series. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.